Hey there, beautiful friend. I am Lit, and in this video, I want to share with you another naked truth. You have to face your traumas. You have to heal. There is no way around it. Like your emotional blockages, your past traumas, your past life traumas will not simply just go away. They will not disappear. They will not be magically taken away by someone else. You have to deal with them. You will find ways. There are many ways you can ask for help from God and from guides. You are helped all the time, and you will be helped in the process. But you have to face them. Like there is no way around it. Because I will explain you something. The thing is, if you don't, whatever you don't solve in this life, first of all, you're gonna give it to your kids, which I'm sure you don't want to do this. And second of all, whatever, like if you die and you have still some trauma that you created in this life, or it was created in other lives, and you did not solve, you did not release, you will take that energy with you in your next life, and you're gonna go through the same situations again. And if you don't face them in your next life, you're gonna take them in the other one. Like you have all eternity at your disposal just to do this. If you want to suffer, you can continue to suffer, but at some point you will have to face the suffering, you will have to face the pain, you will have to face the fear, you will have to face everything, and in the end you will become free, because that's what we want, isn't it? Okay, so that was it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have an amazing day, and I love you.